Hey everyone, this is Asa again. I'm having a lot of issues with the camera. It's not wanting to stay. It's very irritating. Okay, so 30 minutes has been over, and I am going to be tasting these Luca Pastry Macaroons. And this is just the box, and it says this 4-flavor box will surely please every palate. Ever popular vanilla and chocolate macaroons are coupled with a raspberry and pistachio to complete this gourmet assortment. And then it has the instructions in red, and it says enjoy just after defrosting. So it's finished defrosting, so now I'm going to try it. Now let's see the nutrition facts. Now for the chocolate, the calories it's 90 calories total per serving, 7 grams of sugar, and 25 milligrams of sodium, which is really good. For the raspberry, there's 70 calories, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 9 grams of sugar, and 20 milligrams of sodium. That's not as good, but it's still okay. For the vanilla, the calories is 90 grams of calories, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 8 grams of sugar, and 35 milligrams of sodium. And for the pistachio, 90 calories, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 8 grams of sugar, and 40 milligrams of sodium. So this is the back of the box, and it is so adorable. These are actually what the macaroons look like. I want to try this one though. It looks really good. It looks like chocolate chip. Okay, so let's try it. So these are the only ones I have left. I have 2 chocolate, 2 pistachio, a raspberry, and a vanilla. And as you can see, it was 3 of each, I'm pretty sure, yes. And the serving size is 2 cookies. So, first, let's try the vanilla. Now, the bottom of it cracked a little bit. This is what it looks like. It's really fluffy. This is what the outer shell looks like, and the inner shell. It's really crunchy and soft. And then the inside is really soft and doughy. Don't let dust and allergens get between you and life's beautiful moments. By choosing Flowmates, you're choosing It's really good. But I don't think that's my favorite flavor. Next, let's try chocolate. And once again, this is what it looks like, the outer shell. It's very crisp. Then the inside is very soft. It's really good. I love the filling. Next, let's try the pistachio, and it's a green one. Once again, the outer shell. This one is very earthy and very smooth. That's the inside. And that's the side. That one's really good. It tastes more like almond than pistachio, but it's really good. And last but not least, the raspberry. Now this is a perfect macaroon. There's the inner shell. That's the outside. It's so sweet. and it's just really good. Mm. I feel like my favorite one is probably the chocolate, and then next would be the raspberry, then the pistachio, then the vanilla. So good. But like I said, you can get it from Walmart. It's like about maybe $6 for a box of 12. They're really, really great. They also have them in 12 packs at Costco for the same brand, but I think it's probably $14. So please, if you can, go and try and get them. They are so delicious. And that's all for today, guys. So see you next week. Bye.